You've been fighting battles nobody knows about, secret wars that rage inside your soul while you smile at the world, invisible chains that bind your heart while you pretend to be free. You have been carrying weight that was never meant for your shoulders. You have been living in a prison that no one else can see, and you are tired, so tired of fighting, so tired of struggling, so tired of being trapped. Tonight, God wants you to hear this before you lose hope, before you give up, before you accept that this is just how life will always be. He sees the chains that are holding you back. He sees the prison that has been keeping you trapped. And he is about to do something that will change everything. You thought your breakthrough would never come. You thought you would be stuck in this place forever. You thought these chains would never break. You thought you would never be free. But tonight, everything changes. I am going to break the chains holding you back. Not someday, not maybe, right now, in this moment, as you listen to these words. I am moving. I am breaking. I am setting you free. The chains that held you captive for years are cracking. The prison doors are swinging open. The walls are coming down. You've cried in silence while waiting for things to change. Tears that no one saw. Tears that you wiped away before anyone could ask what was wrong. You've been crying out for freedom, crying out for deliverance, crying out for someone to break the chains that are holding you back. I am that someone. I am the one who breaks every chain. I am the one who sets every captive free. I am the one who opens every prison door. This message found you because your season is changing, not because you finally got it right, not because you earned your freedom, because I am breaking the chains, because I am setting you free, because I love you too much to leave you in bondage. You've been bound by fear of the future, fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of being alone, fear of not being enough. Fear has wrapped itself around you like heavy chains, holding you back from everything I have for you. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of fear. I am replacing fear with faith, with courage, with boldness, with the knowledge that I am with you and I will never leave you. You do not have to be afraid anymore. The fear that has been controlling you is losing its power. The anxiety that has been paralyzing you is being broken. The worry that has been stealing your peace is being destroyed. I am breaking the chain of fear. You are free. You've been bound by shame. Shame about your past. Shame about your mistakes. Shame about who you are and who you are not. Shame has been a heavy chain around your neck, keeping your head down, keeping you hidden, keeping you from walking in the freedom I have for you. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of shame. I am lifting your head. I am removing your guilt. I am washing away your condemnation. I am giving you a new identity. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not your past. You are my child. You are forgiven. You are clean. You are free. You do not have to carry shame anymore. The guilt that has been weighing you down is gone. The condemnation that has been crushing you is lifted. The shame that has been holding you back is broken. I am breaking the chain of shame. You are free. You've been bound by unforgiveness. Someone hurt you. Someone betrayed you. Someone broke your heart. And you have been holding on to that pain like a chain around your soul. The unforgiveness in your heart is not hurting you. It is hurting you. It is keeping you trapped. It is holding you back from the freedom I have for you. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of unforgiveness. I am giving you the strength to let go. I am giving you the grace to forgive. I am giving you the freedom that comes from releasing the pain. You do not have to carry that bitterness anymore. You do not have to hold on to that anger anymore. You do not have to stay trapped in that wound anymore. I am breaking the chain of unforgiveness. You are free. You've been bound by addiction. Something has had a hold on you. Something you could not seem to break. Something that has been controlling you, destroying you, holding you back from everything I have for you. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of addiction. I am stronger than any addiction. I am more powerful than any habit. I am greater than any compulsion. You do not have to be controlled by this anymore. You do not have to be enslaved by this anymore. You do not have to be defined by this anymore. I am breaking the chain of addiction. You are free. You've been bound by lies. Lies you have believed about yourself. Lies the enemy has whispered in your ear. Lies that have become chains around your mind. You are not good enough. You will never change. Nothing will ever get better. You are failure. You are unlovable. You are worthless. But those lies are chains, and I am breaking them right now. I am replacing the lies with truth. You are good enough because I made you. You are changing because I am working in you. Things are getting better because I am leading you. You are not a failure. You are my child. You are deeply loved. You are infinitely valuable. I am breaking the chain of lies. You are free. You've been bound by grief, loss that has never fully healed, pain that has never fully been processed, sorrow that has become a chain around your heart, holding you back from joy, holding you back from life. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of grief. I am healing your broken heart. I am binding up your wounds. I am turning your mourning into dancing. You do not have to be defined by your loss anymore. You do not have to be trapped by your grief anymore. You do not have to be held back by your sorrow anymore. I am breaking the chain of grief. You are free. You have been bound by financial stress, the weight of debt, the fear of not having enough, the anxiety of making ends meet. Money has become a chain around your life, controlling your decisions, stealing your peace, holding you back from the abundance I have for you. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of financial stress. I am your provider. I am your source. I will supply all your needs. I will open doors of provision. I will make a way where there is no way. You do not have to worry about money anymore. You do not have to be controlled by finances anymore. You do not have to live in fear of lack anymore. I am breaking the chain of financial stress. You are free. You have been bound by relationship pain, broken relationships, betrayed trust, wounded hearts. You have been hurt by the people closest to you, and that pain has become a chain around your ability to love, to trust, to connect. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of relationship pain. I am healing your wounded heart. I am restoring your ability to trust. I am bringing the right people into your life. People who will love you. People who will stay. People who will be the family you have been praying for. You do not have to be defined by broken relationships anymore. You do not have to be limited by past hurts anymore. You do not have to be afraid of being hurt again anymore. I am breaking the chain of relationship pain. You are free. You've been bound by doubt, doubting my love, doubting my goodness, doubting my power, doubting my promises. Doubt has been a chain around your faith, keeping you from believing, keeping you from receiving. But I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of doubt. I am strengthening your faith. I am confirming my promises. I am proving my faithfulness. You do not have to doubt anymore. You do not have to question anymore. You do not have to waver anymore. I am breaking the chain of doubt. You are free. You have been bound by comparison, looking at others and feeling like you come up short, measuring your life against theirs and finding yourself lacking, envying their success and feeling like a failure. But comparison is a chain. It steals your joy. It robs your peace. It holds you back from being who I created you to be. I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of comparison. I am freeing you to be yourself, to walk your own path, to live your own story, to become who I created you to be. You do not have to compare anymore. You do not have to envy anymore. You do not have to feel less than anymore. I am breaking the chain of comparison. You are free. You've been bound by regret, looking back at your past and wishing you could change it, replaying your mistakes over and over in your mind, carrying the weight of things you cannot undo. But regret is a chain. It keeps you trapped in the past. It holds you back from the future. It steals your hope for tomorrow. I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of regret. I am redeeming your past. I am using your mistakes for good. I am giving you a future that is better than your past. You do not have to live in regret anymore. You do not have to be defined by your past anymore. You do not have to be held back by your mistakes anymore. I am breaking the chain of regret. You are free. You have been bound by loneliness, feeling alone even in a room full of people, feeling forgotten even when your phone is ringing, feeling invisible even when people are looking at you. But loneliness is a chain. It isolates you. It steals your connection. It holds you back from the community I have for you. I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of loneliness. I am with you. I am always with you. I am sending people into your life who will see you, know you, and love you. You do not have to be alone anymore. You do not have to feel forgotten anymore. You do not have to be invisible anymore. I am breaking the chain of loneliness. You are free. You have been bound by fear of the future, not knowing what is coming, not being able to see the road ahead, being terrified of what might happen. But fear of the future is a chain. It keeps you stuck in the present. It steals your hope. It holds you back from stepping into the future I have for you. I am breaking that chain right now. I am breaking the chain of fear of the future. I am already in your future. I have already gone before you. I have already prepared the way. I am leading you into a future filled with hope, filled with purpose, filled with blessing. You do not have to be afraid of tomorrow anymore. You do not have to be terrified of what is coming anymore. You do not have to be held back by fear anymore. I am breaking the chain of fear of the future. You are free. You have been bound by the chains of this world. Chains that have held you back from everything I have for you. Chains that have kept you from walking the freedom I purchased for you. But tonight, those chains are breaking. Not because you are strong enough, because I am strong enough. Not because you deserve it, because I love you. Not because you have earned your freedom, because I paid for it with my own blood. The chains are breaking. The prison is opening. The captives are being set free. And you are one of the captives. You are one of the prisoners. You are one of the bound. And I am setting you free. So stand up, shake off the chains, walk out of the prison, leave the darkness behind, step into the light. You are free. You are free. You are free. Not because you finally got it right, because I broke the chains. Not because you earned your freedom, because I gave it to you. Not because you are strong enough, because I am strong enough. I have broken the chains holding you back. You are free, so live like a free person. Walk like a free person. Talk like a free person. Think like a free person. Believe like a free person. The chains are gone. The prison is empty. The battle is won. You are free. Tonight, I want you to do something. I want you to close your eyes, just for a moment. And I want you to imagine the chains breaking. Imagine them falling off your hands. Imagine them falling off your feet. Imagine them falling off your heart. Feel the weight lift. Feel the freedom come. Feel the chains breaking. They are broken. You are free. Now open your eyes. Look at your hands. They are empty. The chains are gone. Look at your feet. They are free. The prison is behind you. Look at your heart. It is healing. The wounds are closing. You are free. Rejoice in your freedom. Celebrate your freedom. Walk in your freedom. I have broken the chains holding you back, and nothing can chain you again. Amen.